विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण थर्ड टॉपिक सुरू करूया. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री 2. यामध्ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स ऑफ कंपाउंड एंगल्स. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. ओके, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स ऑफ कंपाउंड एंगल. व्हाट इज मीन बाय कंपाउंड एंगल? The compound angle, if A and B are two angles in standard position, given angles, then A plus B, A minus B, these are called the compound angles. Now we try to find the trigonometric functions of A plus B, A minus B, and so on. The first proof is that prove that cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. आता प्रूफ आहे, हा आपल्याला प्रूफ करायचा आहे. सो फॉर दिस वी कन्सिडर ए युनिट सर्कल. युनिट मीन्स रेडियस इज 1. Unit circle with center origin of plane. Yes. Then we take the 2 points P and Q on the circumference of the circle such that this angle XOP is A. This angle is A total, and angle XOQ it is equal to B. Okay. So these two angles, angle XOQ is equal to A, XOP is equal to A, XOQ is equal to B. Then this is in the figure. Then this angle POQ, it is the difference of two angles A and P. So angle POQ is A minus B. So angle POQ is A minus B. Now we take point R on the circumference of the circle such that angle XOR is also A minus B, same as this angle. So we take this point, take point R on the circle such that XOR is equal to A minus B. Okay. Consider the point S on x-axis whose coordinates are 1, 0. So this point is on circle also. Yes. Then by polar coordinate system we find the coordinates of P, Q, R. Okay. So the coordinates of P are cos A, sin A. How? Since this distance, this length is 1, and our formula is R cos theta, R sin theta. So R is equal to 1. R is equal to 1. So and theta is equal to A. So it is cos A into cos A, sin A. Similarly, Q cos B, sin B, and R, this angle is A minus B. So this is cos A minus B, sin A minus B. Okay. And S is 1, 0. Now we draw PQ and RS. Since the central angles are same, therefore these chords are equal. This is equal to this. These chords are equal. Hence we write RS is equal to PQ. Now we use the distance formula here and we find the values of cos A minus B, or we prove this. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B. Okay. Now let us see. RS is equal to PQ. Distance formula. By distance formula, we put the values here. Yes. So RS is square root of 1 minus cos A minus B, cos A minus B square plus 0 minus sin A minus B square. So here we write minus sin A minus B square. Okay. A minus B square. 1 minus cos A minus B square plus 0 minus sin A minus B square is equal to PQ. So cos B minus cos A, or cos A minus cos B, but it's same. So we write square root of cos B minus cos A square plus sin B minus sin A square in the square root. Okay. So this will imply, if we reduce the square roots, then what we find, दोन्ही बाजूचं स्क्वेअर रूट जर आपण काढलं तर this is 1 minus cos A minus B square plus sin a minus b square. Okay, is equal to याचा स्क्वेअर रूट काढलं तर cos b minus cos a square plus sin b minus sin a square. आता याचा स्क्वेअर जर केले आपण तर काय मिळते पहा 1 minus cos a, so 1 minus 2 cos a minus b plus cos square a minus b plus a sin square a minus b. Sin a minus b square is equal to sin square a minus b. This is equal to, this is cos square b minus 2 cos a cos b plus cos square a plus sin square b minus 2 sin a sin b sin a sin b plus sin square b. Okay. Now as we know the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. इथे सुद्धा cos square b plus sin square b, here it is 1. Cos square a plus sin square a, इथे sin square a, इथे sin square b, sin square a, and here cos square b plus sin square b. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. So finally we get this will imply 1 minus 2 cos a cos b plus 1. Okay, this cos square a minus b plus sin square a minus b is equal to, आता हे cos square b plus sin square b, it is 1 minus 2 cos a cos b minus 2 sin a sin b. So minus 2 common, here we write plus sin a sin b. Minus minus plus. So this is this is minus because this is minus. So here we take plus, minus plus minus, and last this is plus, cos square a plus sin square a is plus 1. Okay. Now this is 1 plus 1 2. So 2 minus 2 cos a cos b. This is equal to, implies this is equal to 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 cos a cos b. 1 minute. There is cos a minus b, cos a minus b, 2 cos a minus b. Okay, plus 1. So is equal to like this. So 2 minus 2 cos a minus b, a minus b is equal to 2 minus 2 cos a cos b. Now these two cancel, we take transformation plus minus plus, and these two also cancel. So finally we get cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So what we get here, cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So this is the compound angle of cosine function cos a minus b. Similarly, we find sin a minus b, tan a minus b, and so on. Okay. So this is the proof of the first theorem, first part. Okay. So cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. And from this we find the other trigonometric functions at a minus b. Similarly for a plus b also. So we write the formula for cos A plus B. Okay, cos A plus B. Listen this. Note cos A plus B is equal to, we can write this is cos A minus minus B. Minus minus plus. Now we apply this formula cos A minus B. So this is cos A cos B. आता B इथे minus B आहे plus sin A sin इथे minus B. Okay. So this is cos A, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So it is cos B. And sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this is minus sin A sin B. इथे आपण काढून लिहूया since cos minus theta is equal to cos theta and sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. हे थेरम हे फॉर्म्युला इथे अप्लाय करा आपण. So what we get here, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. इथे cos A minus B है, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. So in this way we find the trigonometric functions of compound angles. Okay. याच्यानंतर पाहूया.